Sat Keval Sahib. Hello everyone. Welcome to our e-class. My name is Rathod Khushbu from Param Guru Pathshala Sankul, Sarsa. Dear children, today in this video you are going to learn second chapter of Unit 3 Class 5 in English subject, and the topic of the day, that is Robinson Crusoe discover a footprint. Dear children, it is a wonderful story. Robinson Crusoe discover a footprint one day. So in third unit, this is the second part, that means second chapter of third unit. First one, that was poem My Shadow, that I have already discussed. You may get this link in your group or on our YouTube channel. So if you have not checked, check it. So today in this video I will discuss or explain the chapter of Robinson Crusoe discover a footprint. Before that, let me introduce new words from this lesson. First, savages. Savages, that means wild people in primitive state. Wild people in primitive state. So we may call it as a Adi Manav. Understand? So wild people, that means primitive state. Mainland, large continuous extent of land. Mainland, that means a large and continuous extent of land. बहुत बड़ा वाला लैंड जहाँ पे कोई रहता ही ना हो. मेन लैंड, अ प्लेन ग्राउंड. Wandered, that means to go from place to place without a defined route. Wandering, to visit the place, from place to place. I mean एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना, फिर वहाँ से तीसरी जगह जाना. That's called wander. They do not have a proper route or definite route. The next one is bolder, that means more confident. Inhabited, or occupied or dwelled in. Occupied, to achieve something. So these are the new words that you have to prepare it also. So in the beginning of the chapter, it is written that Robinson Crusoe's ship had been destroyed by the sea. He had been alone for many years and longed for company. One day he discovered a footprint on the sand. Let's find out what he did then. So what happened? Robinson Crusoe, that is the main character in this story, and one day his ship, मतलब वो एक शिप लेके सेलिंग करने के लिए गया था. बट वन डे व्हाट हैपन, हिज शिप डेस्ट्रॉयड इन द सी, मतलब डेस्ट्रॉय हो गई, डैमेज हो गई. ही हैड बीन अलोंग फॉर मैनी ईयर एंड लॉन्ग्ड फॉर कंपनी. सो एक टापू था, आइलैंड था, वहाँ पे वो फंस जाता है. एंड ही स्टेड देयर मैनी ईयर्स, फॉर मैनी ईयर्स, मतलब वो वहाँ पे फंस जाता है. फिर अकेला है. नाउ वो अकेला ही वो टापू पे रहता है. ही लॉन्ग दैट मीन्स टू सर्च, उसको एक कंपनी चाहिए. ही लॉन्ग्ड फॉर कंपनी. बट वन डे व्हाट हैपन, ही वॉज स्टेइंग देयर फॉर मैनी ईयर्स, बट वन डे ही फाउंड और डिस्कवर अ फुटप्रिंट. फुटप्रिंट दैट मीन्स हम जब चलते हैं, इफ ऑन अ वेट सैंड और वेट लैंड, so our footprint, we can find our footprint. So one day he discovered a footprint. So let's read the chapter. One day when I was going towards my boat, I was surprised to see the footprint of a man on the sand. I, that means author that means Robinson Crusoe. Here Robinson Crusoe, he is expressing his experience on the seashore. So what happened? He said that when one day I was going towards my boat, मैं अपनी बोट की ओर जा रहा था. I was surprised Why? Because I saw the footprint of a man on the sand. Now, as I discussed, that for the many years he has been living there but alone. There was no any man living on that island or on that place. Only he was alone. So he became surprised that in the whole area only he was the person who is living on that area. And one day when he found a footprint of a man, he became surprised. I stood amazed. I listened. I looked around me. I looked neither here nor see anything. Now he became amazed. I listened. He said that I listened. उसने सुना, गौर से सुना. I looked around me. मैंने अपने आस पास देखा. I could neither hear nor see anything. मतलब उसे कुछ सुनाई भी ना दिया और ना तो कुछ उसको दिखाई दिया. I went up higher to look down. वो ऐसे हिल था. हिल दैट मीन्स वो हायर एक टेकरी पे गया. हायर टू लुक डाउन. वहाँ पे जाके उसने देखा कि इज़ देयर एनीवन एल्स इन दिस एरिया. But I went up the shore and down the shore, but it was no good. That means there was no one. I could find no other footprint but that one. Only he found that footprint in another area he had not found. But it was no good. I could find no other footprint but that one. I went to it again to see if there were any more footprints and to tell if I had been my imagination. So Robinson Crusoe again went to the area to look after that there are some more footprint on that area, but there was no footprint except that one. But I was not mistaken, for there was exactly the print of a foot, toes, heel, every part of a foot. मतलब वो पहले उसने जब footprint देखा, he felt that someone is here. So आसपास देखा, थोड़ा अप गया, अप जाके नीचे डाउन देखा, मत if there is someone, अगर कोई हो तो, but no one there. Again he came there and to look after that footprint. उसने देखा कि that is the same footprint. ये same footprint that means ये एक किसी मनुष्य का ही footprint है. The same toes, heel, every part of the foot. मतलब जो हमारे foot के जो part है बस same. Every he found it. I could not imagine how it came there. Now he was thinking that how it came there. मतलब ये यहाँ पे कहाँ से आया? When he looked around everywhere, no one is there. Then how it come? I stayed a long time thinking, but became more and more confused. I stayed a long time. That means वो वहाँ पे खड़ा खड़ा सोचता ही रहा. That if there someone here, but as he was thinking, more he becoming confusing. जिस तरह से उसने सोचा उस तरह मतलब अगेन वो कंफ्यूज होता गया. I stayed a long time thinking but became more and more confused. वो बहुत ही सोचता रहा but more and more confused होता गया. At the last, I returned home very frightened, looking behind me after every 2 or 3 steps, mistaking every bush and tree to be a man. So at the last, finally, what he did, he returned to home very frightened. अब वो बहुत घबराया हुआ है. Very frightened, looking behind every 2 or 3 steps. मतलब दो तीन स्टेप आगे जाके वापस से पीछे देखना, फिर बशीस जो झाड़ी है वहाँ पे देखना कि इज़ देयर समवन, कोई है मैन. सो ऐसे घबराते हुए फ्राइटन होके वो घर पे पहुँच गया. When I came to my cave that means गुफा, which I call my castle. वो उसको कैसल, अपना कैसल बोलता है, महल. कैसल that means महल. I ran inside it as if I was being chased. I do not remember whether I used the ladder or went it by the hole in the cave. That means every day he is using the ladder to enter in his cave. There is a ladder also and hole also. So on that day he could not imagine and he could not understand that which he had to use, ladder or to enter using that hole of the cave. So I do not remember whether I used the ladder or went it by the hole. मतलब उसको पता ही नहीं कि वो जो गुफा है, केव है, उसमें किस तरह से एंटर हुआ. Rock, which I called the door. I ran for cover faster than any animal could run. इतना फास्टली एंटर हो गया अपनी केव पे that if any animal that is chasing behind him, उसको मतलब उसके पीछे कोई एनिमल पड़ा हो और वो इतना फास्ट रन करके अंदर कैसल में चला जाए, द सेम वे. I did not sleep that night. The more I thought about what I had seen, the more afraid I became. So on that day, at night, he could not sleep. उसको नींद ही नहीं आई. He was thinking, and as he was thinking, he became more frightened or afraid. मतलब उसको जितना ज़्यादा वो सोचता था उतना ज़्यादा ही उसको मतलब डर लगने लगा. I thought it could be one of the savage of the mainland who had wandered out to the sea in a small boat. Then after what he thought that maybe there is any savages or wild people. In new words I discussed about that Adi Manav. So he was thinking that here is maybe someone, savages, wild people, that is related to primitive. Maybe he was wandered around this sea. Luckily, I was not on shore at that time. But what if he had seen my boat? Luckily means fortunately, on that time I was not present near my boat. But if I present there, so what the man will do with me? If he had seen the boat, he would have realized that someone lived on the island and would soon return with other to kill and eat me. So what he thought, that luckily I was not on to present on that boat, but if he had been seen the boat, he would realize, उसको पता चल जाता, जो प्रिमिटिव मैन था, जो सेवेज था, उसको पता चल जाता दैट समवन लिव्ड हियर, कोई है जो यहाँ पे रह रहा है आइलैंड पे. एंड देन आफ्टर सून ही रिटर्न विथ अदर, मतलब वो दूसरों को भी लेकर आता और फिर मुझे मार डालता एंड मुझे खा जाता. एंड सो आई ले फियरफुल फॉर मैनी डेज एंड प्रेड फॉर प्रोटेक्शन. एंड सो दैट ही ले मतलब रहा वो इतने दिनों तक, मैनी डेज, that after that incident, for many days he became fearful and he prayed for his protection. He prayed to God for his protection. In doing so, I was much comforted and began going out to investigate. जिस तरह से उसने गॉड से प्रे किया, नाउ उसको थोड़ी सी हिम्मत आई. And now he said that let me go and do some investigation regarding that footprint. But even now, as I went forward, I looked behind me frequently because I was still very frightened. So for many days he stayed in his cave, but now he thought that it is the time to go out from cave and let me investigate. But this time when he went out, after 2-3 minutes or frequently, he looked behind him that maybe someone is chasing to him. So that's why he looked behind him, because he was very frightened. However, as I went about for 2 or 3 days and saw nothing, I became a little bolder. So when he went there, then after next day again he went, then The next day also he went, matlab for 2-3 days now he is wandering near that area, and now he had not seen any kind of footprint, and that made him a bolder, that means he got a little confident. अभी उसको थोड़ा confident आया. I decided to go down to the shore again to examine the footprint once more. So what he decided, अभी उसने डिसाइड किया कि लेट मी गो नियर द शोर एंड लेट मी चेक और एग्जामिन, मतलब एग्जामिन करना, जो फुटप्रिंट है उसको अगेन ऑब्जर्व करना. आई डिसाइडेड टू मेजर इट विथ माई ओन फुट मार्क. Okay, so what he decided to measure his own foot mark with that foot mark. As I came closer to the footprint, I realized that it could not be my footprint because I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. So what he said, that when I came closer to that footprint, जो footprint के नज़दीक गया, then he realized that it could not be his own footprint because for many days, for a long time, he had not visited that part of the beach. Secondly, as I placed my foot alongside that footprint, it seemed larger than my own. Means जो footprint था उसके next to बाजू में उसने अपना पैर रखा, and he noticed that the footprint that is larger than his own footprint. My fear returned. I went home again, believing that there was someone there. The island was inhabited. So again he became frightened. First he thought that let me measure this footprint with my own footprint, and when he measured, it was a long one. So again he became frightened, and the fear returned, and went home believing that there was someone else on this island. So that is the story about Robinson Crusoe discover a footprint, that adapted from Daniel Defoe Robinson Crusoe. So I hope so you understand this story well. Let's see question answer based on this lesson. First one, what made Robinson Crusoe think that the print on the ground was a footprint? Robinson Crusoe thought so because it had every part of a foot, toe, heel, etc. So that is the answer. Second one, why was Robinson afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees? Answer, Robinson was afraid because he mistook every bush and tree to be a man following him. Third one, why did Robinson pray when he saw the footprint? Answer is, Robinson thought that it was the footprint of a savage. He became afraid that the savage would come to him with other savages and kill him, and therefore he began to pray for his safety. So that is our question answer. Choose the correct answer. It is a MCQ. First one, Robinson ran back to his home as fast as he could because he was racing, was afraid, or was in a hurry to go home. So the answer will be B, was afraid. Okay, Robinson ran back to his home as fast as he could because he was afraid. Second one, he could not sleep because there was an animal outside his cave. He thought savages had come from the mainland, or his bed was uncomfortable. So what will be the answer? B. He thought savages had come from the mainland. Next one, why was Robinson Crusoe sure that it was not his footprint? It didn't look like a human footprint. It looked smaller than his, or he had not come to this part of the beach in a long time. So the answer will be C. He had not come to this part of the beach in a long time. Next one, where was Robinson Crusoe? On a boat, in a town, alone on an island, on an aeroplane. C1, alone on an island. So that is the answer. So I hope so you understand this chapter exercise or MCQ. Prepare it well, dear children. Thank you for watching this video.